I think Seward Kissel finally went, oh, this potato's a little bit too hot for us. Partly because a bunch of law students all got together and wrote a letter to Seward Kissel and said, we're crossing you off the list of names of law firms that we would be prepared to go and work for when we graduate from law school. And this was from like Harvard and Yale and I don't know the names of the other great law schools. And Seward Kissel went, wow, this is, this isn't the kind of smell we want in Angeles.
I understand the U.S. taxpayer has to pay this lawyer about $1 million at this point.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, well, excellent. Thanks.
She has found herself one new client, though, Cuomo. She's representing Andrew Cuomo.
Sued me.
She's having a laugh, as we would say in English. This is crazy.
So what would you do? What would you do now? What could be done now for Steve Donziger other than try to keep him out of prison? What about the people of Ecuador? Are you going to be involved in fighting on that?
Yeah, we're not going away. In fact, one of the reasons that Chevron have done this is that we were pursuing restoration in Canada under Canadian jurisdiction and already have a Canadian Supreme Court decision from Ottawa to say yes, it is lawful for representatives of the people of Ecuador to start civil proceedings in Canada in order to get them to pay what was found that they owed to the people of La Agril in Ecuador all those years ago. Sorry, go on.
This man has been sentenced to prison for a crime. He lost his legal license. Why isn't he just another criminal, just a fancy criminal?
Well, because obviously he isn't a criminal. He's a civil rights lawyer. Duh, it's as plain as day. I was part of the proceedings that were referred to in this press conference.